Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 4, then the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is, it has been given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Squaring both the sides of the expression, we get x plus 1 by x whole square, that is x square, plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equal to 4 square, that is 16, or x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Again, squaring both the sides of the expression, we get x square plus 1 by x whole square, that is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2, that's equal to 196, or x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 194. Therefore, we get the correct answer as option number 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the greatest number that will divide 2629 and 2483 leaving remainders 4 and 8 respectively is, the required number will be HCF of 2629 minus 4 and 2483 minus 8. That is HCF of 2625 and 2475, which comes out to be 75. And so the correct answer is option number 1. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the least number which when divided by 35 leaves a remainder 25, when divided by 45 leaves a remainder 35, and when divided by 55 leaves 45 is, here we observe that the difference between the numbers and the remainders is constant, that is 35 minus 25 is equal to 45 minus 35 is equal to 55 minus 45, that is 10. Therefore, the required number will be LCM of 35, 45 and 55 minus 10. The LCM of 35, 45 and 55 comes out to be 3465. So the required number is 3455. That is, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, if 9 to the power n into 3 square into 3 to the power minus n by 2 whole to the power minus 2 minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube is equal to 1 by 27, then which of the following is true? We know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now, we can write 9 as 3 square. So it becomes 3 to the power 2n into 3 square into 3 to the power minus n by 2 into minus 2 gives n minus 27 can be written as 3 cube. So it gives 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube. That's equal to 1 by 27. This gives 3 to the power 3n plus 2 minus 3 to the power 3n divided by 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube. That's equal to 1 by 3 cube, or we get 3 to the power 3n common into 3 square minus 1 upon 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube is equal to 1 by 3 cube. which further gives 3 to the power 3n into 8 upon 3 to the power 3m. 2 cube can again be written as 8. That's equal to 1 by 3 cube. 8 and 8 gets cancelled. And therefore we are left with 3 to the power 3n minus 3m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3, or 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3, or n minus m is equal to minus 1, which further implies m minus n is equal to 1, or m minus n minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, the least value of n such that 1 plus I by 1 minus I to the power n is equal to 1 is 1 plus I upon 1 minus I when multiplied and divided by 1 plus I gives 1 plus I whole square upon 1 square minus I square. That is 1 square plus I square plus 2I upon 1 minus I square. We know that I is equal to under root of minus 1. Therefore, I square is equal to minus 1. I cube is equal to minus I, and I to the power 4 is equal to 1. Substituting the values of I square, we get 1 minus 1 plus 2I upon 1 plus 1, that's equal to 2I by 2, which is equal to I. I to the power n is equal to 1. This implies n is equal to 4. So the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you.